morning students. Welcome back to your science class. Earlier we have completed up to the page number 15. Now we are moving towards the next topics that are on the page number 16 and 17. That is nutrition in humans. Now how does human beings take the nutrition? How do we take the nutrition? How we get the energy? How we get the nutrients? It is a complex process in which different types of organs and some glands are also involved, so that we can obtain the nutrients, we can separate the nutrients from the food that we are eating. First of all, there is a sequence of the digestive process of human beings. First one is ingestion, thereafter digestion, thereafter absorption, assimilation and digestion. So these are the 5 basic processes which are involved during the process of digestion. We will begin with the ingestion. Now what is ingestion? जब आप खाना लेते हैं, कोई भी फ्रूट लेते हैं, मान लीजिए आपने एप्पल लिया, तो आप क्या करते हैं, उसको सबसे पहले लेते हैं और उसको अपने मुंह से कट करते हैं. सो दैट इज़ द प्रोसेस नोन एज ingestion. What we intake. Ingestion means intake of the food in the mouth. It is done by mouth and the teeth and tongue present in your buccal cavity. So when you open, just stand in front of the mirror, open your mouth, and you would all see inside the mouth, that is your buccal cavity, including the teeth, including the tongue and everything. So ingestion is done with the help of mouth, teeth and tongue. It is a process in which the food is taken inside the body so that it can be chewed properly. After that process is digestion. So what is digestion? Digestion is a complete process in which the big molecules or big particles or complex particles of the food are broken down into the small particles of the food, so that we can obtain the nutrients from that. So in this process there are some enzymes and juices which are secreted in our mouth also, just like the saliva and bile juice from the gallbladder and the liver also, which is used for the digestion. This liver and pancreas secrete का मतलब निकालना या छोड़ना, that secrete the juices into the stomach, so that there is proper digestion of the food. There is HCl acid also present in our food, so that the harmful microorganisms may die due to the action of the HCl present in the stomach, and the food molecules are easily mixed up, or they are easily blend up with each other, and thick juice is made inside the stomach. So after moving from digestion, there is absorption. So absorption means what we have taken inside our body, that must be absorbed, and this absorption process is basically done in small intestine and large intestine. All the nutrients are absorbed inside the small intestine, and the remaining part, that is water or some leftover nutrients, that are absorbed by the large intestine. So these two organs inside our body which are coil like structures, जैसे coil होती है किसी spring की तरह, जैसे गोल गोल घूमती है, वैसे ही हमारी बॉडी के अंदर organs होते हैं, और ये absorb करते हैं nutrients को और water, जो remaining water, so that they can directly pour into the blood, and blood takes the nutrients to the cells for their proper utilization. Now what is assimilation? When these intestine absorbs the water or the nutrients, they just throw or pour their nutrients into the blood, और blood से वो कहाँ जाता है? Into the cells, where it is assimilated. That means it is utilized by the body so that it can be useful to make or gain energy. After that, it is digestion. Digestion is the last process in which the leftover or not used or unused food is just thrown out of the body through the rectum or anus. So this is the last part of our digestive system. So once again we will recall it from mouth. Our digestion begins from the mouth, and by passing through the esophagus it enters the stomach, where liver and pancreas pour their digestive juices into the stomach and helps in the digestion of the food. From that, the food is passed into the small intestine and large intestine, where the nutrients present in the food are get absorbed. After this absorption, the food nutrients present in the food are thrown into the blood, where the blood takes away the nutrients to the cells, and cells use those nutrients to for the repairing of the body, for repairing any parts, for increasing the immunity, for giving us energy to do work, for our growth also, and we can survive by this. And the leftover material which is unused or not useful for the body is thrown out from the body through rectum or anus. Clear to you, I think? So this is the digestive process. In the homework you have to read the process thoroughly and draw the diagram in your fair notebook. You can use the color pen also, or you can just with the pencil also. It's up to you how you are drawing the diagram. It is not compulsory to make it a colorful. So this is your homework. Complete your work and read the process thoroughly. It is a very important process for our body also and for your syllabus also. Thanks and have a nice day.